Hi guys, watch this video. Let me show you how to color grade a dark skin image in Photoshop. Without saying too much, let's just get started. So I'm done with the frequency separation. So now I'm to color grade this image. I want to give it a dark skin look. So let me show you the adjustment I used in doing that. So first of all, I used the black and white, which I'm just going to click on the adjustment on black and white. So it's going to change it for me automatically to a black and white. So I did not use any of these adjustments right here. I just let it be like that. So the next thing I did was to change this. I changed the blending mode to multiply. So after changing it to multiply, I'll adjust this opacity till when I see it okay. That's when I'll just stop. So I'll just stop at 56. So let me show you a quick one how it was looking. So this is the before and this is the after. See how it's looking now. But there are more to do on this. So just watch this video. Let me show you. Just keep watching. I will come to the selective color. I'll click on it. Then first of all, I'll go to the red. So when I get to the red, if I bring it to this side, it's giving it a reddish look. So I'm just going to take it to this other side. Then after taking it right there, I'll add a little bit of magenta to it. Just a little bit, not much. 7 is okay. I'll not add yellows to this because I want to give it a realistic black skin tone. So sorry, a dark skin tone. So I'm just going to come adjust the black a bit, just make it look more. I'll just give it more contrast. So after I'm done with the red, I'll come to the yellow. I'll also take it to this other side. I'll be adding plus, let me see, plus 30 or plus 28. Let me just use plus 32. I'll also add a little bit of magenta. For the yellow, I'll just let it be like that. Then the red, I'll add the red just so I can get more contrast. So once I'm done, I'll come to this other place right here in neutral. So once I get there, I'll just add a little bit of this, then also come to the black, then give it this, add a little bit of contrast to it as well. So once I'm done right there, the next thing for me to do is just to come to this brightness and contrast. I'll add the brightness 3, just a little bit, 3, or let me see, 4 is fine. For the contrast, I'll add it to 5. I'll use the contrast 5 on this. So once I'm done there, I'll come to the hue and saturation. So click on it. I'll come to the red. Then I'll now take this to minus 20. Let me just impute this. I'll just use minus 20 on this. So this is how I got to give this a very good looking and a realistic dark skin tone. So let me show you guys the before and after. So I'll just group the adjustment I did. I'll drag it down here. Then this is the before, how it was looking, and see how it's looking now. So this is how I got to color grade this image to give it a really nice dark dark skin tone. So it's simple, and I hope this video is helpful. Please, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also like and comment on this video and share it to your friends if you think this video is helpful. So thank you. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.